Colt Hamilton here with Hamilton Native Outpost, and today we want to talk about stream banks. Stream bank erosion in particular, and that can be a pretty hard subject because a lot of the ways we solve creek bank erosion cost quite a bit of money. We've kind of developed a method or revised an old method and made it a little bit easier to do and more cost effective with better results. We want to share that with you. So the scenario we have here is we've got a nice, there was an old vertical bank back here that was being eroded that you can see behind me, and we wanted to stop that erosion. They call that a cut bank. The vertical bank, the creek is cutting it out each time it floods. We wanted to stop that erosion. So there was no method of putting in cedar tree revetments. And there was a lot of success with these, and there was a lot of failure. Basically, if the flood's big enough and you lose your tree or trees, then you lose your whole revetment. So we'll get more into how we do a cedar tree revetment better later in the next video in the series. But I want to show you what the vertical cut banks look like before and what they look like after. So this is the after creek bank, and so before it was a vertical creek bank, the water was right up against that vertical bank, and this vegetation, these trees, this ground cover, this grass was not here. So what we did was put in a cedar tree revetment, and we got some sediment to start catching. The cedar trees blocked the current, and then we started seeding a mix that likes wet areas obviously and that are fairly deep rooted. A few shallow rooted early annuals in the mix to come on quick. The goal is just to get the ground covered and get it haired over with vegetation on top, roots at the bottom. We even stopped several of the willows you see back behind me. The sycamores, that's a willow here. Sycamores like this, they move in on their own. Wind-blown seeds a lot. So this is what we want our stream bank to look like when we're done.
We at Hamilton Native Outpost make these videos to share the unique knowledge that we have gained from over 40 years of working with native plants as we raise and sell native grass and wildflower seeds. If you found this video helpful, we need your help to get the message out. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. It helps others to find us. Thank you.